Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp notifications using the Interakt service. So if you want to enable your customers to receive WhatsApp notifications, you can integrate Interakt WhatsApp business platform to your online store. So once you make this integration, you will be able to send WhatsApp notifications to your customers. So let's proceed. The first thing we have to do for us to set up the WhatsApp notifications is to navigate to the store management section here and select settings. So in the settings section, we select modules. All right. So here we are going to select the marketing and conversion category. So here we'll now search for the WhatsApp notifications module. So you can see the module here. So the next thing we do after we've seen the module is we proceed to install and edit it. So I go ahead and click on the edit button here. So in the module settings page, the next thing we do is we go ahead and enable it. So once we enable it, you take note of this option here. So for this, we are going to set up the WhatsApp notifications to use the Interakt service as the provider. So we go ahead and select Interakt here. All right. So note that selecting this option means that we'll need to have an Interakt merchant account to be able to set up the module. So we need to provide the Interakt API secret key. And also we'll need to set up the Interakt message template that will be used to send the WhatsApp notifications. So what I'll do next is I've already created my Interakt merchant account. I'll go ahead and log into the account. So, but if you've not yet created your own account, you can come here and click on this link to sign up to create your account. So once you create your account, you can proceed to the Interakt login page. You can see it here, and then enter your login details to log into the dashboard. So what I'll do next is I'll go ahead and pause the video to log into the dashboard. All right, so now I'm logged into my Interakt merchant account. So what we need to get the API secret key. To get this, in the Interakt dashboard, we navigate to the menu section here. All right. So in the menu section here, we go ahead and select the option here. So when we select the account name, we go ahead and choose the developer settings menu here. All right. So you see that in the developer settings page, this is where we'll get the API secret key. So what we do ahead is we go ahead and copy it and then we paste it here. All right. So once we get the secret key, the next thing we have to do is we'll need to create the message templates that will be used to send the WhatsApp notification messages. So I'll go ahead and create the message template. So to do that, we come back to the Interakt dashboard here. And then in the menu section, we select templates. All right. So here we go ahead and click on the create new button here. So we call this custom underscore message 1. All right. So for the category, we select utility option here. So we go ahead and choose English as the language. So once we do that, we are presented with the option to add the message template details. So for this example, we'll leave this as none. Here we add the variable. So this variable is where the message that will be sent as notification from the online store will be included. So this variable will represent that message. So once we enter the variable here, we can then proceed to add a foot message. So we can say, let's say for example, we say, let us know if you have any question regarding our service. All right. So this is just a footnote message that will appear under the actual message when sent to the customer. So once you have composed the templates that will be used for the WhatsApp notification in the store, the next thing we do here is we can then go ahead and just put a sample here as we say this is just a sample message. All right. So once we do that, we now proceed and submit the template. So take note that we'll need to, let's move this from the footer section to the body section here. All right. So once we do this, we come back here, we make sure that we've added a sample here. So after we've done this, we will now proceed to submit the template. All right. All right. So you can see that it takes about 24 hours for WhatsApp to approve the new template. So what we do next is we go ahead and copy the template name. All right. So we can copy the name of the template and then we come here and add it. All right. So we need to ensure that this is approved before we can go ahead and activate the WhatsApp notification module. So let's say that this template has been approved. We make sure that the status is enabled. And then the next thing we do here is we can go ahead and set up the other status messages. So this will be the message notifications, the WhatsApp message notifications that will be sent to customer when their order has been updated. So if we update the order status of an order, any message we enter here will be sent as a WhatsApp notification to the customer using the Interakt service. So let's say, for example, we want the customer to receive a notification when the order has been set to processing. So you see that we've done an example here. So if we also want the customer to get a notification when the order has been processed, we come here and take this. So we type your order, make sure that we copy the order number short code here. Paste it here. All right. So once we add this, we can do this for the other statuses. So let's say we want to add it when the order status has been updated to shipped. So to do that, we come here again and say, hi, your order All right, so once we add all the messages we want to set for each of the status, and we are sure that the settings here is correct, so we go ahead and save. All right, so now that we've saved, we've activated the WhatsApp notification service to use the Interakt WhatsApp service to send notifications to customers. So coming back here, we can always check the status of the template by refreshing the page. So let's refresh the page. So you can see that it's still pending. So once it's activated, we'll be able to send the notification messages. So take note that after we activate the module, you'll notice that when we navigate to the store management section and select marketing, you notice that a new option called WhatsApp has been added here. So opening it, you see that it will give us an option for us to send WhatsApp messages to our customers. So we can send bulk messages to multiple customer accounts. So let's say we want to send a WhatsApp message to all our customers. We can come here and select the option here. We enter the WhatsApp message, add any attachment, can add the delay, add the number of seconds to wait before the message is sent, and then we click on the send button. So once we do that, WhatsApp message we enter here will be sent to all the customers using the Interakt service. So in addition to sending bulk messages, if we also navigate to the sales channel section here and select the proxy shopping option, you see that a new option called WhatsApp shopping cart has been added. So opening this, you see that it will allow us to use the proxy shopping feature to send WhatsApp messages to customers. So we can send pre-populated shopping carts to customers on WhatsApp. So if we enter the customer's WhatsApp number here, and then let's say we enter the product, so we add the products that we want the customer to order. So any product we add will be added to the cart. So once we've added all the products, we can go ahead and click on the send button to send the shopping carts to the customer on WhatsApp. So take note that we also have the option to adjust the message that will be sent as the WhatsApp message to the customer. So these are just examples on how we can use the WhatsApp notifications feature to send notifications to customers on WhatsApp using the Interakt service. In this video, I've shown you how to set up the WhatsApp notifications module and integrate it with the Interakt WhatsApp service. Thank you for watching.